In a landmark decision, the HSE has decided to cover the costs of the drug Skyclarys for Friedreich's Ataxia patients. It comes after a meeting of the HSE's senior management team following what was described as a substantially improved financial offer from the drug firm Biogen. Patients, politicians and health advocates have welcomed the move after a lengthy campaign.
The battle by people with the rare neurological disease Friedreich's Ataxia for access to the drug Skyclarys has been a long one. They and their families have lobbied politicians and the government and held demonstrations to bring their plight to public attention. And today, the HSE senior leadership team met and decided the drug should be made available to patients with the disease. The HSE said it followed a substantially improved financial offer from the drug company Biogen.
Cheers,
Emily Felix, who has the disease, said the news was a great relief.
We're so over the moon. We're just so happy that we finally get this good news, that we can now get on with our lives. We shouldn't have ever had to go through the suffering and the pain we've had to go through, having to share our stories so publicly. And going through all this effort, protests.
Opposition politicians have welcomed the development.
People with Friedreich's Ataxia should never have been put through this long process. It has taken too long. It took 2 years. It has taken an awful lot out of a lot of the people I've met.
Why did they have to take to the streets in such huge numbers over the last number of weeks to plead with the government and plead with the HSE to make the right decision?
The Minister for Health says she expects the drug to be initially available through acute hospitals.
We already began a process of engagement on where and how this drug could be delivered. I expect and hope that will begin now immediately. And I hope that in the next number of weeks that we will see the communication with patients about how and where that may be done.
The HSE said the price being paid for Skyclarys is commercially sensitive. Biogen said it will now work closely with the HSE to ensure eligible patients can access the treatment as quickly as possible.
Well, for more on this, we're joined by our health correspondent, Fergal Bowers. Fergal, obviously patients will be hugely relieved by this news today, but when can they expect to actually have access to this medication?
Yes, they're going to be very keen to know when they can secure this drug Skyclarys. The Minister for Health, she's asked the HSE to begin engagement with Biogen, the makers, to put a process in place immediately for patients to access the drug. So on a practical level, they'll have to make sure that the drug's in Ireland, and it looks like initially access will be through acute hospitals, possibly in some weeks ahead. Skyclarys, it's a once-a-day capsule. The HSE said it recognised today how distressing it was for people with Friedreich's Ataxia to await the outcome of these lengthy negotiations. And it did take a very long time, a campaign of over 2 years with some setbacks for those patients. But the HSE said that without these negotiations, it would have been considerably disadvantaged. So basically, if it had to pay a higher price for the drug, it would have less money for other things in the health service, like other drugs for patients as well too. And the drug company says it's committed to working closely with the HSE to make this drug available as soon as possible. And the HSE obviously isn't going to tell us how much it's paid for it. These things are always commercially sensitive.
Right, Fergal Bowers, thanks indeed.